Hey there, and welcome to this tutorial on how to install ChatGPT as an app on Windows 11. ChatGPT is a powerful AI-powered language model that can help you with a variety of tasks, such as answering questions, generating text, and even having a conversation with you. By installing ChatGPT as an app on your Windows 11 device, you'll be able to easily access it whenever you need it without having to navigate through your browser. This can save you time and make your workflow more efficient. In this video, I'll be showing you step-by-step how to install ChatGPT as an app on your Windows 11 device. Before we begin, make sure to hit that like button. To add ChatGPT as a Windows app on Chrome, go to chat.openai.com. Click the three dots menu on the top right part of the Chrome browser. Go to More Tools, then select Create Shortcut. Make sure to select Open as Window, then click Create. The ChatGPT app will auto-launch after the installation is complete. Thanks for tuning in. If you liked our videos, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future uploads. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more awesome content.